they not pretty like the ones on Tasty, but welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna make these very delicious vegan chocolate chip cookies. Well, honestly, I don't know what the cookies taste like. I actually pulled these off of Tasty, and they just looked really delicious. So I'm gonna try them today, and I'm gonna show you how to make them and give you my very honest opinion about how I think they taste. And you know, sometimes Tasty, I love Tasty, but sometimes those videos are so quick. It's like one too many clips and you don't catch everything. So I'm gonna slow it down, and that's it. Oh, and this is gonna be like a vlog style cooking video, so you're gonna hear my kids making up all kind of noise and playing and stuff in the background. But this is easier for me, and I feel it's more fun to watch. You get to, you know, get the real me today. So let's get into this video. So here's everything you need for this recipe. Some vegan chocolate chips. I got all of this came from Walmart, except this came from Sprouts. And I got dark brown sugar, but you can get any brown sugar. Regular sugar, flour, coconut oil. I have unrefined, but the recipe asks for refined, but I'm using what I have. Non-dairy milk. I'm using almond, vanilla, and baking soda. Oh, and all-purpose flour, if I didn't already say that. Alright, so I'm going to measure this out, and then we're going to mix it up. So I don't know if I did something wrong or what, but my cookies don't look like the cookies on Tasty. I'm gonna show you. Here we go. So here's the cookies. Yeah, they are soft in the middle. They're a little crunchy around here. I really think I added maybe too much coconut oil because I didn't measure it, but yeah. They not pretty like the ones on Tasty, but come here, husband, get that off your head first. Get that off. So I'm gonna taste it. And it said on the Tasty's recipe to let it cool a little bit, and I'm not. These are warm, and the reason I think I added maybe too much coconut oil, because one, they're greasy, And two, I can smell the coconut. Like it's very strong. I don't know if husband's gonna like these because he really does not like coconut at all. Wait a minute, y'all. You wanna taste it? Well, get out my camera then. If you ain't gonna taste nothing. These are really good, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's good. Okay. Okay, tasty.
Let me see.
Okay, tasty. These are really good. Okay, so if you don't want this recipe, try it at home. Measure your stuff. I didn't really measure a whole lot. Mine have a little bit too much coconut oil. So, and use refined coconut oil. I use unrefined. That may be why that coconut flavor is so strong. So anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, you want to taste? You can taste it, yeah.
Hi. My name is Linda and I'm 7 years old and she is still 9.
What you think, CJ? What does it taste like? You got like an end piece. It's a little crunchy around the edges.
Coconut?
Is it good though?
Yeah.
What would you add to it to make it better?
Looking like a normal cookie.
Make it look like a normal cookie?
Yes.
Yeah, I agree. All right, say bye, Journey. Say bye. Don't do that.
Can I need help with the I need help with the TV.
Journey, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, see you next time.